Hey guys, so today I'm going to be visiting Kawaii stores all around New York City, and currently I'm going to Bangzai. So I'm at Morning Glory right now, and this is right across the street from Bangzai, so it's pretty convenient. They have so many nice licensed squishies, especially Hello Kitty ones, and the Hello Kitty donuts were only $7.99, so that's pretty cheap. So I'm on the subway heading to Kinokuniya. We're here! They have so many nice licensed squishies, but they're quite pricey, so I ended up not getting anything. Now we're in Chinatown. So this is one of the gift shops at Elizabeth Center. And here's another. They didn't have that many squishies because they were all sold out. This is Sanrio, which was only a couple blocks away from Elizabeth Center. So this is a Bisou gift shop, but it was closed at the moment, so we're just waiting. They only had a bit of squishies. So for Morning Glory, I only got one thing. And it was this Hello Kitty donut. Here's the tag. It was $7.99, like I said in the vlog part of the video. Here's the licensing. And it has a pretty nice bounce back. I didn't get anything from Kinokuniya or Bangzai, so. From one of the Elizabeth Center shops, I got this cake. It's really slow rising. So yeah. And then I got this squishy fun cake. And last but not least, I got two of these pears. One of them is for Crafty, and these were each $3, as you can see from the price tag. Here's the other one. From another Elizabeth Center shop, they gave this bag, and my sister actually got a pair of earrings, so yeah. In the last store that I went to in Elizabeth Center, they just gave me this black bag, and my sister got this folder. So yeah, and she got this key ring thing, and she also got these 3 pieces of razors, I guess. And finally, from this Beast gift shop, they gave this really cute bag, and my sister actually got these. She got this 7 to 8 piece of music note stickers. Oops. Back it was $3.50, and then she got this muffin squishy. It's really slow rising and it has really nice scent. So I hope you guys enjoyed both the vlog and the haul part of this video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. And follow us on Instagram. Crafty's Instagram is at CraftasticJ, and my Instagram is at asmr.kawaii with 3 eyes. Bye!